Hello, everyone. This is Dollina Bhasin, the business head at Veye Pty Limited. Welcome to today's WebEx at Veye Research. Australian economy has been very resilient, but the latest figures show that inflation in Australia rose 6.1% in June quarter. This was the latest and the fastest in the last 20 years. Simultaneously, unemployment rate decreased to 3.5% and was 1.7 points below March 2020. Inflation normally has an inverse relationship with unemployment, implying that when inflation rises, unemployment drops. At such times, achieving low rate of unemployment without sparking inflation becomes really daunting for the economist. The main challenge before them is to reach non-accelerating inflation rate of unemployment, abbreviated as NIRU. The Federal Reserve on Wednesday ruled its second consecutive 0.75 of percentage point interest rate increase to combat mounting inflation. Fed has opted to wait and watch instead of a single larger move. The move was as per market expectations, and it naturally gave it a thumbs up. Whether or not it is a bear trap, it can be seen in the follow-through actions. It is now being anticipated that RBA will also follow suit, and it's going to increase the cash rate again at its meeting next week. The rate hikes impact what banks charge each other for short-term loans, but also influences a multitude of consumer products, such as adjustable mortgages, auto loans, credit cards. Long-term investors, I would like to talk about, have in the recent months preferred dividend stocks. And as we know, dividend stocks, they add a lot of fixed income to what you're adding to your list of holdings and to your portfolio. We will be talking about some of the great ones, which is SHM. So the ticker is SHM. The name of the company is Shiriro Holdings Limited. Especially for the housewives and for the homemakers, this is one of the company engaged into kitchen appliances and consumer products marketing and distribution company operating in Australia and New Zealand. The company markets and distributes a range of products under its own brands, including Omega, Robinhood, Everdew, and Omega Altus, and third-party brands such as Casio, Blanco, and Pioneer. The company segments include kitchen appliances and consumer products. The kitchen appliance segment offers products including ovens, cooktops, range hoods, dishwashers, sinks, ironing system, laundry tubs, I would like to say, waste disposal, and ducting solutions. The consumer product segment offer products including watches, calculators, electronic, musical instruments, projectors, point of sale terminals that we can see while doing the shopping at the merchant, whether it's retail, whether it's a wholesale business, camera, barbecues, heaters, fans, air purifiers, dehumidifiers, fashion, car, audio, professional, disc, jockey, amplifiers, and high fidelity products and speakers. The company has over 1,000 in-store displays in retail stores. Veye maintains a buy on Shiriro Holdings Limited. Then I would also like to focus on Fortescue Metals Group Limited, FMG. It's an Australian-based company engaged in iron ore mining. The company is engaged in the development of infrastructure and mining assets. It is focused on exploration, development, production, processing, and sale of iron ore. Fortescue owns and operates a fully integrated infrastructure and supply chain, including Five Berth, Herb Elliott, Port in Port Hedland, the Judy Street Harbour, towage infrastructure, and the heavy haul railway covering 620 kilometers of track. Fortescue is also developing the Eliwana mine and Rail Project, and the Iron Ridge Magnetite Project. It is also focused on Patterson and Udall projects in Western Australia and a drilling program at Vulcan South on the Tasman Resources Joint Venture Project in South Australia. Fortescue activities includes drilling program in Argentina and exploration activities over several project areas in Chile, Brazil, and Ecuador. It also operates the Solomon Hub in the Hammersley Range, and Veye recommends a buy on Fortescue Metals Group Limited. So this was all for today's WebEx for the good two dividend stocks that I've talked about the inflation rate, and we are looking up to come up with more of the WebEx in the upcoming weeks. So stay tuned with Dollina Bhasin at Veye Pty Limited. Thank you, everyone, and enjoy and have a wonderful day. Thank you.